Have you ever woken up with a sharp, burning pain shooting down your leg or a stiff, aching back that just won't let you move freely? If so, you already know how sciatica and back pain can completely take over your day. But here's the good news. You don't need to rely on painkillers, injections, or surgery to feel better. There are natural ways to stop sciatica and back pain, and you can start using them today. Let me share something most people never realize. Sciatica isn't the actual problem. It's a symptom. The real cause is usually nerve irritation brought on by things like poor posture, muscle tightness, inflammation, or spinal misalignment. When you deal with the root, the symptom goes away. So let's break this down and explore what really works. What is sciatica and why it hurts? Sciatica is the name for pain that follows the path of the sciatic nerve. This nerve runs from your lower back, through your hips and buttocks, and all the way down your legs. The pain usually happens when something presses or pinches this nerve, often from a herniated disc, a tight muscle like the piriformis, or from simply sitting too much. Back pain, in general, can come from all sorts of things. Weak core muscles, poor posture, prolonged sitting, and even stress can lead to discomfort and stiffness. In fact, stress is often overlooked but plays a major role. When your body is tense from anxiety or emotional strain, your muscles contract and tighten, especially in the shoulders, neck, and lower back, leading to pain that builds over time. Let's pause for a moment. Think about your daily routine. Do you spend hours sitting in front of a computer? If so, that desk chair might be your back's worst enemy. Long periods of sitting compress the spine, reduce circulation, and weaken the muscles that are supposed to support you. Simply being aware of how long you've been sitting and getting up to move can make a huge difference. Natural pain relief that works? One of the most effective ways to begin relieving pain naturally is through gentle stretching. For sciatica, the goal is to release the muscles that might be pressing on the nerve. The piriformis muscle is often the culprit, and when it's tight, it can irritate the sciatic nerve. Regularly stretching this area, along with your hamstrings and hip flexors, can ease the pressure and provide noticeable relief. Heat and cold therapy are also powerful tools. Applying ice to inflamed areas can reduce swelling and numb sharp pain, especially if the pain is recent. On the other hand, if your back feels stiff or tight, applying heat can relax the muscles and improve blood flow. You can use a heating pad, take a hot shower, or even soak in a warm bath to loosen up the tension. Self-massage is another helpful technique. Using something as simple as a tennis ball, you can gently roll under the glutes or lower back to release tight spots. This kind of targeted pressure can help reduce muscle knots, increase circulation, and bring fast relief. Lifestyle changes that prevent pain. While relief is important, long-term change comes from prevention. Strengthening your core is one of the best things you can do to protect your back. Your abdominal and lower back muscles support your spine. If they're weak, the rest of your body compensates, and pain follows. You don't need intense workouts. Even a few minutes of focused core exercises each day can lead to big improvements over time. Improving your posture is another simple shift that pays off. Many people don't realize how much stress they put on their spine just by leaning forward to look at their phones or slouching at their desks. Aligning your body properly, shoulders back, head over the spine, feet flat on the floor, can reduce strain and help your spine feel supported throughout the day. Another powerful change is to simply move more often. Taking short breaks to stand, stretch, or walk every 30 minutes can help reduce the compression that builds up from prolonged sitting. Movement keeps the blood flowing, prevents stiffness, and reminds your body that it wasn't meant to stay still all day. Your diet also plays a critical role in how your body responds to pain. Eating more anti-inflammatory foods like leafy greens, berries, turmeric, and omega-3 rich fish can help reduce swelling and promote healing from the inside out. At the same time, cutting back on processed foods and sugar can lower inflammation and make a noticeable difference in how your joints and muscles feel. The mind-body connection. Pain isn't just physical. Your emotional state affects your physical body more than you might expect. When you're stressed, anxious, or overwhelmed, your body reacts by tightening muscles, especially in the lower back. This constant tension can lead to pain that feels like it has no clear cause. Practices like deep breathing, mindfulness meditation, and yoga can calm the nervous system and help your muscles relax. Even taking 5 minutes a day to sit quietly and focus on your breath can lower stress hormones like cortisol, which in turn helps your body release tension and reduce inflammation. Quick relief when pain strikes. When you're in pain, you don't always have time for a full routine. That's where fast, simple techniques come in. One effective method is lying flat on your back and resting your legs on a chair so your knees form a right angle. This position helps take pressure off your spine and lets your lower back decompress. Taking a warm Epsom salt bath is another great option. The magnesium in the salts helps muscles relax and promotes healing. If you're looking for a gentle stretch to ease tension quickly, try a seated spinal twist. It helps release the lower back and improve mobility without putting strain on the joints. Creating a daily routine for relief. Lasting relief comes from consistency. Creating a simple daily routine that combines stretching, core strengthening, and mindfulness can help you stay ahead of pain. You don't need an hour-long session. Even 10 minutes a day can create real change when practiced regularly. Start your morning or end your day with a few gentle stretches. Add in a couple of core exercises like planks or bridges, and give yourself a moment of stillness through deep breathing, gratitude, or quiet reflection. This balanced approach addresses both the body and mind, helping you heal more completely. Conclusion and encouragement. Sciatica and back pain can be deeply frustrating, but they don't have to control your life. With natural methods, small lifestyle changes, and a consistent routine, you can relieve your pain and keep it from coming back. Start today by choosing just one change. Maybe it's doing a gentle stretch, fixing your posture while sitting, or eating an anti-inflammatory meal. Each small step leads you toward long-term relief. Your body is capable of healing, and you deserve to feel strong, supported, and pain-free.